What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your man Chris Jones, NoVACAIN Kennels.
I have the iPhone too.
All right, so let's go ahead and get let's get this done. So like I said, you take a small piece of cabbage, or take a piece of cabbage, and wash it up.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ruby. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now what I'd like to do is, I like to cut out this center section here. They have this stem still on there because it seems like the stems suck out more than anything. So I just pretty much take scissors and cut it around to fit over the entire teat.
Yeah. Get out.
No, it's like a little cup.
Get out here.
Out, Misha. Out, Ragnar. Out, Abe. Alright, so you dry it off, because this is going to suck out fluid and moisture anyway. Alright, so let's go up here in the dining room. Ragnar out. Abe out.
Only
Out.
Mishans.
Close the gate, please. Alright. So, like I was telling y'all earlier, give me that cabbage. Like I was telling y'all earlier, stay, girl. You know, it looks a whole lot better. Stop, girl. Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Let people see. See, it looks a whole lot better already, and it's not hard. But we're still going to continue with the antibiotics. And this hopefully will be her last, the last time we put the cabbage on her. I think this would do it.
I'm coughing down here in your bed.
Alright, so take the piece of cabbage, like a bowl.
And put on her.
Move, Chris. And put it on her teeth. Like this. Take your ace bandage.
Yeah. And you do your other push.
Wrap it around her. Stop, girl.
Now what is her doing?
Wrap it around her. Make sure all the other ones that have no issues are free. You know. And leave it on there for 20 minutes. So I actually need to look at the clock real quick, y'all. Alright, it's 13. With this, all you need to do to somewhat help prevent it, you should be touching her teats every day, squeezing them. Make sure milk's coming out. Make sure nothing's clogged up. Wiping them off with baby wipes or warm water and some antibacterial type soap. And just make sure you rinse them off real good before you allow the puppies to nurse. But if you have mastitis or think you may have caught it in the early stages, a piece of green cabbage wrapped on her like that, 20 minutes, a couple times, it'll pull it right on out. But what y'all want to do is after you do this and then you wash it, you wash the teat off, you want to get the strongest puppy, the one that sucks the strongest. You want to get that puppy on it. Boom. Because what would happen if you actually got mastitis and you started your antibiotics, your sulflexin, you know, that's what you can give dams for mastitis while they're still nursing. It's sulflexin. Once you get that sulflexin in your dog for 2 days, 48 hours, what's coming out of there, if it is mastitis and infected milk, that will make it sterile. So the puppy will start to pull that milk out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. That bad milk out, till good milk starts flowing again. And from the good milk beginning to flow again, it'll actually help correct the issue with your dam. So the dam will actually heal up a lot faster if you get the Cabbage on. You keep the warm compress. The warm compress is to get it on there, and it's going to kind of it's going to somewhat melt. It seems like it melts that milk, so you can actually get it out. But with that puppy sucking on it, with their, the way they press their tongue and get to pulling, that'll pull it out faster. Sterile, it'll be sterile bad milk, I guess, but it's coming out. It shouldn't affect your puppy. Your puppy shouldn't get the runs or anything like that if the dog has been on cephalexin for 48 hours already. Now we're going to continue her antibiotics for 7 days, twice a day for 7 days, and she should be 100% fine. I say she's 95% fine already. The swelling is gone. She's allowing pups to nurse off it. She's not pushing them away. So it's doing a great job so far. Yeah, I know, bro. But let's look at some puppies before I get ready to get out of here, man. Get to this meeting. Sorry, y'all see some poop I need to get cleaned up. Another issue that someone recently hit me up about. They said they got a litter of puppies and they can't figure out how all of the puppies ended up getting coccidia. One of the easiest ways for your dogs or your puppies, your litters, to get coccidia or either giardia is when the puppies actually defecate. A lot of times you'll see the puppies back up, and then if you got a water bowl like I got, they back up right to it and defecate into it, and then the rest of the puppies will come drink out of it, and that's how you get that stuff all on your yard rapidly. So what you need to do is constantly check your water, dumping it out. Like the puppy's water is probably changed 20 times a day while we're home. When we're not home, it probably gets changed about 10 times. But as you can see, she knows what we're doing. She knows we're getting her straight. Hey, too rough. It's fine. It's too rough.
Don't slip and fall. Ow.
Alright, y'all. Let me finish up what I need to do. It's your man, Chris Jones, NoVACAIN Kennels. Like I told y'all before, regardless of what's going on, we're going to continue to bring you the education. That's what it's about, continuing the education. Today, if your dog has mastitis or you think it may be developing mastitis, you can use a piece of green cabbage on its teeth to actually draw it out, to keep the milk flowing, to keep the dam healthy, and it will take out the swelling, the fever, all of that in a matter of minutes. 20 minutes is all you need with it on your dam. Do it as many times as you need. If you do it, say you do it for 20 minutes, at least give a 2-hour break before you do it again. And then make sure when you take it off that it's not messing with the dog. You got to remember, we're dealing with skin. Each dog is different. Some dogs may be able to handle it, some dogs may not. I know some women get burnt by the cabbage somehow, and other women do not. So you just pay attention to what you're doing when you're doing it to your dogs. It's your man, Chris Jones, NoVACAIN Kennels. Mastitis for dogs, the cure of it, real quick, is Cabbage. But also, you should be putting it on antibiotics depending on the severity of it. It's your man, Chris Jones, and I'm out.